Alright, we are here in downtown St. Louis. There's the arch. We are here at the Laclede's Landing Metrolink station. This is a very interesting station as it is underneath a historic bridge. So we're going to take a look at their elevator. Look at this entrance though. This is a really cool station. Here's the elevator. And it's been modernized with C.J. Anderson, Old Montgomery. Look at it, even has a blue LED. Go to the platform. There's on the platform. What's interesting about this elevator is it's glass, but it's not glass. There it goes, and we'll watch it go up. And another good look at the station. There's where the actual tracks are, and then there's the road bridge above. So this actually makes it for a very interesting and very cool station. But anyway, that's the elevator, and that'll be it.